Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So you probably noticed my eyes missing a little bit of a makeup, and it's because today we're gonna be reviewing another item. But before we start, what do you guys think of my top? It's a brand new top for me in my wardrobe and I thought I'm gonna wear it for the first time, but I don't know if I'm liking it or hating it because of this ruffle thing. It's kind of like a body, but yeah, I don't know because of this ruffle. Should I wear it like this or should I wear it like this? I kind of like this part but dislike at the same time. I mean, I got it in my favorite color, you guess which one. But yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know if you like it or not. Alright, back to this video. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a brand new L'Oreal Tattoo Signature by Superliner. And what it says in the bag, it says 24-hour extra black felt eyeliner, waterproof, 100 woman self-evolution. What does that mean? 100 woman self-evolution. What does that stand for? I have no idea. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you know what it means, because I'm clueless. Well, what I like so far about it is that it's waterproof. Massive thumbs up for me so far. There is a pen liner. If you're a beginner, I would strongly recommend to go for a pen liner, as it is the easiest one to use rather than the gel liner or liquid liner. This is for you if you just started with a makeup and you're struggling to apply the liner on. Go with this one. Go with the pen liner. That's what I meant to say. So I think without any further ado, let's open this up and see what we got, right? So, okay, I thought it's gonna be way much thinner. It's quite thick, so I don't know so far, but I mean, we can try this out, you know? It's not a problem, but so far, not too keen on the size of it, but we'll try it out. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little try on the hand, a little swatch kind of. Okay, let's see. Alright, so the tip is not too hard, it's not too soft, gonna go like precisely. Oh yeah, I can do a thin line as well. Okay, alright, it might not be too bad, and I can go sideways and make like a big thick line. So so far so good, you know. I can't really complain much. Cleans quite easy with the micellar water. I really want to do the graphic eyeliner, but I'm not sure if I would like the way it's going on the eyes, like the way I'm applying on the eyes. I can't speak today, so sorry, but I guess you know what I mean, right? So I'll see if that's gliding on easily, I'll go for a graphic liner. If not, we're just gonna do a thick wing liner. So I always start from the outer corners of my eye and then I draw through the eyelid. I feel like it's drying out too quick, like I need to close it to wait for my color. So this part is done. As you can see, I am watching straight to the mirror, so the eyeliner doesn't like crease. Can you see the way wing looks now? And now I'm just gonna go through the eye and connect this part. Just gonna draw the line through the top of my eyelid. I got to shake this again because it's drying out. I don't know if I like it for this part, but it dries out so quick. Alright, so far so good. The only annoying part that it dries quite quick, so you need to close and shake it a little bit and then use again. I'm gonna jump in and do exactly the same thing on this eye and gonna get back to you, and maybe we could draw a bit of a graphic liner for eye. Alright, so I applied the liner on the other eye, and so far I am not keen on the brush, not the brush, the tip, you know, the felt tip, because it's very thick. If I would compare it with Maybelline Gigi Hadid's one, look how thin this one is and look how thick this one is. Can you see, guys? Do you know what I mean? It makes it too hard to work with it. I really want to do the graphic liner. So I think what I'm gonna do, definitely, I'm gonna put a few black dots in here in the middle on the eye. Let's try this. What do you guys think? I really want to go with the graphic liner and draw the line in here. Do you know what? I decided I'm gonna go with a graphic design, and I actually started a bit on this eye, so I'm just gonna do this now. Actually, for this part, it's good that the color in the tip keeps running out, so if you do mistake, it's easier to clean off. I would need some color to finish this up. Is that all? That's one use, one eye, and at the finish. Come on, color. That's not ideal, alright. Alright, I'm gonna apply false lashes, a little bit of mascara, and we'll tell you my verdict. So I went in and applied the lashes, applied these ones in Huda Beauty No. L, number 14, in a little bit of mascara. And to be honest, I needed to fix this eyeliner. I mean, I'm not a fan of this eyeliner, I gotta be honest, this is a review video, because I lack the color in it. So I jumped in and applied another liner just to make it a little bit more blacker, like darker, because it was too pale in my opinion. And yeah, I really wanted to like this. I kinda like this in the beginning of a video when I just seen the way it looks, you know, but I don't like this now. I mean, the felt is too thick to start with. It's too big, it's too thick, so it's hard to control the line, and you kind of tempted to do the thicker one. It will be harder to do the thin line, and in my opinion it's just a waste of money. I mean, it's better items on the market. If you go for a drugstore, I would recommend the Gigi Hadid Maybelline's one, because the felt is so much thinner and easier to control. I actually did a review on this, it's on my channel. And if you go for the more expensive item, which actually worth your money so much, I would go for the Tarte's Man Eater. The felt is so nice, it's so easy to control, it's very tiny, it glides so easy, it doesn't dry out, the color is really strong, and yeah, it doesn't bleed or anything, it holds through all day long. So for me, I would really strongly recommend to get the Tarte Man Eater. I did the review as well, I'll link it in here guys, because this is so good. Or if you go for a cheaper version, the Gigi Hadid's Maybelline one, but this one, the Too Signature by Superliner by L'Oreal, is just waste of money in my opinion. Personally, you seen me struggling applying this. I kept shaking it to get some color, and even now, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the felt, the tip of it is dry, like it looks more gray than black. You see? Color kind of disappears, it's not black, it's gray. Then I would apply the Man Eater. Do you know what I mean? So I used only once for a first time, and the color just disappeared, so waste of money, trust me. On the other hand, what do you guys think of this graphic eyeliner? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Leave a comment down below. I got inspired to do this graphic eyeliner today by my outfit, because I felt like I kind of need something because it's so different, you know, circles. So I wanted to do something different with my eyes, and I feel like I'm liking it, you know. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of this graphic eyeliner, what you think of this L'Oreal eyeliner. Have you tried it or not? If you're hating it as much as I do, because that's just a waste of money. But at least you guys seen this video, so you don't need to do the same mistake and splash your money on this worthless item. Thank you so much for spending your time watching this review tutorial or graphic eyeliner video. I really hope you guys find it helpful. Leave a comment down below and let me know. If you like it, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I can't wait to share more videos, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao!